Great headphones make all the difference because great audio is the lifeblood of entertainment. With so many devices, who wants to manually keep switching from one device to another? Multipoint Connect and the Sony WH-1000XM5s lets you connect two devices at once so you can speak when you need to and listen when you want to. Hi, I'm Andrey from Sony, and in today's video, I want to show you how to use Multipoint Bluetooth on the WH-1000XM5s and how to connect your headphones to two different devices using the Headphone Connect app. Before we start, it's a good idea to charge your headphones. And remember that you can get up to 3 hours of listening with just 3 minutes of charge. Make sure your headphones are connected to your phone via Bluetooth, and to check, simply click on the Bluetooth options on the settings and make sure it says connected or active next to the WH-1000XM5 option. If this is the first time connecting, go to Bluetooth settings and look for discover or pair a new device. Now that you're connected, it's time to download the Headphones Connect app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Open the app and go through the initial setup, and while you're there, make sure that your headphones have the latest firmware update so you have all the new features and improvements. Now click on the System tab on the top right next to Status and Sound, and there you'll see Connect to two devices simultaneously. Tap that option and it will enable having multiple devices at the same time. And now you are done. And that's it. Now you're ready to use Multipoint Bluetooth on your Sony WH-1000XM5s. And if you have multiple devices, you can now listen to music on one and talk on the other. No more unpairing and reconnecting. We all love great audio, and the Sony WH-1000XM5s are a great way to hear every detail on any device. Multipoint Connect allows you to spend more time listening and less time switching. Hope this video has been helpful, and please check out Sony's support page for more helpful videos. And as always, thank you for watching.